So today we're gonna make a quick and easy chicken curry. So for this curry, you're gonna need onion, some cilantro, tomatoes. I got 2 tomatoes right here. I used like two small tomatoes. I used 2 medium-sized potatoes, and I used like 1.5 onions. And then we're gonna need chicken, of course. So I've already like pre-marinated this chicken over here with turmeric, red chili, coriander, pepper, and I like mixed it and kept it here. And for the masalas, we're gonna need some Kashmiri red chili, one anistar, one piece of cinnamon, one green cardamom, and 2 cloves. And then we're gonna need kasturi methi. We got ginger garlic paste right here. We got some pepper powder right here, turmeric powder, garam masala, and coriander powder right here. So let's get cooking. Alright, so the first step is that we have to cook the chicken and the potatoes in the pressure cooker for about 1 to 2 whistles. And I'm gonna add in around like 2 spoons, so like 2 tablespoons of water, because you really don't need water. Just to make sure that nothing gets burned or anything. So I'll put in the chicken, and I'll put in the potatoes, and I'm gonna cover it up and cook it. Alright, so the cooker is now done. I gave it about 2 whistles. So right now I placed down a pan, and I have put some butter into it, and as you guys can see, the butter has melted. Now I'm gonna add in the cinnamon sticks, the 2 cloves, 1 green cardamom, and 1 anistar. And now I'm gonna wait for it to get hot and start to sputter a little bit. Alright, so now all the whole masalas are ready. Now I'm gonna add in the onions to this. Alright, let's give that a good mix. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, around like 1 teaspoon of salt to this onion. I'm gonna let that mix in a lot, and get the onions to like a little golden brownish color, like really cooking. Alright, so now the onion is starting to color change, and at this moment I'm gonna add in the ginger garlic paste that we made. So this is around like 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix. Alright, so now we're just mixing the ginger garlic paste, and I'm getting a really nice aroma right now. At this moment I'm gonna add in turmeric powder. Just about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna mix that up real good. And I have now lowered the flame to about low. And now I'm gonna add in the chili powder. So I'm using Kashmiri chili powder so that it gives like a good color to it. And this is about like 1 teaspoon. And now I'm adding the coriander powder. That's about like 1 tablespoon-ish. You can add it depending on how strong you want it. And then we got pepper powder. So I'm using around 2 tablespoons, because the Kashmiri chili doesn't really give out much of a spice. Alright. Let's mix that up real good. Alright, so at this moment I'm gonna add in the chicken and potatoes that we put in the pressure cooker. So add that in. As you guys can see, this is why I said we don't really need water. Uh, the chicken itself produces water. So, and the potatoes are nice and mushy, so that's good. Alright, so it's now time to add in the tomatoes. So what I've done is that I've turned the chopped up tomatoes into a puree. And I'm going to add it in. Give it a good mix. So the reason why I made this a puree is because it'll give out a better flavor to the curry. And you get more of a gravy texture at the end. So I'll be mixing it for about 30 seconds right now, and as you guys can see, it is starting to be a little watery, but I just added a little bit of water in here because I like it as a little watery gravy. And now I'm gonna check the salt level right now, so that if I need to add more salt I can, but this is up to you. If you want more salt, you can add it. That's based on your likes. So it has been about 2 minutes, and I've been mixing it then and now. So right now at this moment, I have slightly increased the flame a little bit to nearing medium, and I'm gonna add in the garam masala. So this is around quarter teaspoon of garam masala, because some people like it stronger, so you can add according to your own taste. But I'm just gonna add around quarter teaspoon. Mix it up real good. And now I have lowered the flame so that it can cook. Now we need to close the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. So it has been about 3 minutes, and now I'm going to check on the chicken. So, alright, so now at this point I'm going to add in the kasturi methi. So let's just crush that up a little bit and put it in. You can find this at any Indian store, and I'm going to give that a good mix. So the curry is almost over, so right now I'm going to garnish with some coriander. You can chop it up if you'd like, but I like to keep it like this. It gives it a good impression. I'll mix it up a little bit so that the coriander can cook. So the simple and easy chicken curry is done. I would really appreciate it if y'all could like and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments when you try it if it's good or what. Give me some feedback, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.